Hello dear students, with our YK Bio YouTube channel, I am your tutor Kamal Makbul. Today our topic is disorders of eye. And before understanding the topic disorders of eye, we must have understanding that how the process of seeing is normally occur in eye. The process of seeing the nearer object occurs normally when the light rays from the near object are diverging, so they look like appearing from this object diverging from this object, and these diverged rays which are emitting from a near object when enter the eye and they pass through the lens of the eye, they converge on the retina, so the image forms on the retina. Similarly, when the distant object is seen by the eye, the light rays coming from the distant object which are parallel, they pass through the lens and these light rays converge on the retina, so the image is formed on the retina. So these are the normal processes of seeing the nearer object and distant object in the normal eye. But when there occurs a disorder in the eye, this disorder may be due to the change in the shape of the eyeball. The disorder of the eye, disorders in the eye, is due to the change in the shape of the eyeball. And these disorders are of two types: hypermetropia, also known as long sight, and myopia, that is short sight. First, we will understand hypermetropia. Hypermetropia, also known as long sight, is a condition when a person can see the the distant objects normally, but the nearer objects he cannot see normally. So the long side of the person or distant side of the person is normal, but the short side is defected. So how this defect be rectified in this person, we'll understand it. In hypermetropia, in which short sight is defected, the reason of this short sight defected is this, that the eyeball shortens in size. The eyeball shortens in size, so the objects coming from the nearer object when pass through the lens of the eye, these rays converge behind the retina, so the image that is not formed on retina but formed behind the retina is blurred, so the person cannot see well normally. So this problem can be rectified by using a convex lens in the glasses. So when convex lens is placed in front of the eye, the light rays coming through the nearer object when pass through this lens and also from the lens of the eye, these two lenses, the artificial lens and the eye lens, converge these light rays on the proper place of the retina where image is formed and can be seen clearly. The other defect, that is known as myopia, is short sight. Is also called short sight, means this person can see the nearer objects well. So the short sight is normal. Myopia, that is also known as short sight. A short sight means this person can see short objects or nearer objects normally, but the long sight is defected, means the distant objects cannot be seen well or normally. So the long sight is defected. The reason of this defect, that the person cannot see the distant objects normally, is this, that the eyeball elongates, so the parallel rays of the distant objects when passed through the lens, these light rays cannot converge on retina, but they converge in front of the retina, so the image formed is blurred and the person cannot see well. So this defect can be rectified by placing a concave lens in front of the eye of the person using glasses. So the light rays coming from the distant object when passes through the concave lens slightly diverge them. So when these light rays passes through the eye lens of the person, these two lenses together converge these light rays on the retina, so the image is formed clearly. So this problem is rectified by using concave lens. So I hope today's topic, defects of the eye or hypermetropia and myopia, you would have better understood after watching this video. So if you like this video, so please like, share and comment this video. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe my channel RYK Bio. So take care and God bless you.